Hi, in this video we shall see how far are you from a heart attack. So let's see what are your risks of having a heart attack and how early can you get that. Heart attack or cardiac diseases, these diseases are actually progressive diseases and they progress with your life, your age, your lifestyle, your food, your eating habits, your exercise level, and all these things. So let's go and find out how far are you from a heart attack. Actually, if you are 40 plus of age, then you are at a risk than normal people. If someone in your family had a cardiovascular disease in blood relations, like your mother, your father, and your blood relations, then your heredity may also cause your genetics may also play a role in your risk of heart attack. If you have high BP, if you have high cholesterol, if you have diabetes, if you have obesity, if you are a smoker, and in a lipid profile, if you get your triglycerides level high, and if you have high VLDL level in your lipid profile, and you take poor diet in the sense that your salt, carbohydrates, and cholesterol in your diets are high for a longer period of time in your age, and you do not exercise very quite often, then your risk of heart attack and your distance from a heart attack is very less. So take a good care of your health, and keep a healthy diet and live a healthy life with healthy habits. Take care. Allah Hafiz.